Good morning, class. Today we are going to talk about pronouns. Can you please read first?
Mom. Pronoun, a word used in a place of a noun. Thank you.
Yes, pronoun is a word used in place of noun. So we have different kinds of pronoun. Okay, so you could read this.
Noun. Okay. Pronouns, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun.
Thank you.
Relative pronoun,
Demonstrative pronoun, definite pronoun, and reciprocal pronoun. Okay, we're going to proceed to the meaning of each one. Okay, so first here we have personal pronoun. Okay, personal pronoun indicates whether the person is speaking, is spoken to, or is spoken of. Then we have here the example of singular. We're going to proceed to plural. Okay, again, it is divided into three columns. Then we have the nominative case, possessive case, objective case. And for the first person plural, we have we, our, ours, and us. Then you, your, yours, you. The third, we have they, their, theirs, and them.
Relative pronoun relates one part of a sentence to a word in another part of the sentence. Specifically, the relative pronoun indicates that the definite clause describes a noun in an independent clause.
Okay, that's it. Now, we have here the examples of relative pronoun. We have the who, which, and that. Okay? As you can use in the sentence, we have the book which I read. Now, myself here in the second sentence function as indirect. Okay. Then here for the next sentence, I smile at myself in the mirror. Okay. So what is your reflexive pronoun again?
Myself.
Myself. Okay. What word comes before myself?
We are going to start our lesson, sequence and series. Okay, so we have pre-assessment, the exploratory activity. So analyze the numbers below. Think of a pattern so that you can guess the succeeding series of. I will give you 5 counts. When I say go, the first one to
Raise hand.
okay, to come in front, nga makakatouch siya ato na mouse, siya ang next number. Number 3. Okay. Wala pa kata start ng ang ato niya time. Okay, number 4. Ready? Go! 1, 2. Okay, other group. 2. Okay, number 5. You have.
About.
Okay, let's check kung saan tayo sabat. 2, 3, 4.
Perfect.
Okay, very good.